How to see Spotify Wrapped 2024 early. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So let's just get started right away, because some people have actually found out a method in order to view or see your Spotify Wrapped 2024 early. So I'm going to show you guys that method right now, but please keep in mind that it does not work for everybody. So yeah, I'm over here in the Spotify app, and the Spotify Wrapped 2024 is not here in the app yet. But what you can do is actually go to your browser. And once you are here, search for Spotify Wrapped 2024. Now, if you then hit enter, you will get the first website over here, Wrapped 2024. And then when you click on this will actually open up the app. But for me, it does not work, as you can see. But for some people, it actually has worked. It might just depend on where you live, like in terms of location or region. But you can try this, and if this doesn't work yet, I recommend to just keep on trying this every day or every couple hours, because this should probably be the fastest method in order to see your Spotify Wrapped 2024, because a lot of people will always have trouble viewing their Spotify Wrapped, even though they have their app up to date or whatever. It just does not pop up over here inside of their Spotify app. So doing it this way via this link will be the fastest way to see your Spotify Wrapped. I believe this second link here works as well. Yeah, it just pops up over here. So like I said, just try this out. If it doesn't work yet, then keep on trying, and it might work later. So that is how to see Spotify Wrapped 2024 early.